Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Crossfade in Audacity. So if you want to use this effect, you need to have minimum 2 tracks in your project. So here I have my first track and here I have my second track. So now we need to select part of track 1 and part of track 2, so I will do it now. How you see parts of both tracks are selected now. And then we need to go to Effect tab. Now we need to go to Fading and we need to open here Crossfade Tracks. I recommend you to set here 15th on custom curve, but of course you can try to use different values and check which one is best for you. Very important is to set fade direction on automatic. Don't forget to do it. And after that you need to click apply button, because then changes will be applied. So I do it now. And how you see crossfade has been successfully applied to your project. And I think you should try this effect because it may be a really useful effect in your projects. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.